Today I'm going to be unboxing this box, and I know it doesn't look like much, but in this box, believe it or not, inside this box is a 12-inch queen size mattress. A whole bed is compressed in this box. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. This is the Cemtip 12-inch mattress. We're gonna go ahead and take it out of the box, see how long it takes to fully expand, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like once it's set up in the room. This mattress is designed to be medium firm. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see if it lives up to the hype. It is safe to say that you will need a team lift. It is quite a heavy box. I'm gonna go ahead and stand it up just so you can see. I am 5'5" for reference, and it is about my size or a little bit taller, but this is what the full mattress looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna allow it to fully expand, and then we're going to place it on a queen size bed so that we can see what it looks like, how long it takes to expand, and its finishing touches. All right, so the mattress is now outside of the box. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it is all compressed and nice and tight in this packaging. So what we're going to do now is place it inside the room on top of the queen size bed. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and we're gonna watch it fully expand. All right, so we are getting ready to unroll the mattress, and inside of your box, you will find this hybrid mattress. This is a manual and also included. Let me go ahead and show you. You do get this opener. You want to make sure to use this to open up your mattress to prevent it from getting damaged in case you're using a knife or scissors. So let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see here, the mattress is fully expanded. It was so easy to take it out of the packaging and it immediately expanded. Take a look. It is so nice. The material is actually very, very nice quality. It is so bouncy. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up now so you can take a look and see what this mattress looks like. As you remember, this queen-size mattress came in a compressed box. It was a bit heavy, but we did use a dolly to bring it inside of the house. As soon as we cut the plastic open, it expanded right away. It is vacuum sealed and rolled up, so it doesn't take a lot before forming its shape. So take a look. This is, as soon as we opened it up, this is what the mattress looks like. The top of the mattress is nice and soft. It has that quilted texture. It feels smooth to touch. It is not scratchy. The stitching looks clean and the surface has a padded look like a built-in pillow top. Take a look at that. On the sides, there is a darker gray fabric like mesh pattern. It gives a modern, breathable look and appearance. This mattress feels evenly filled even as it begins to rise. You do want to let this mattress fully expand about 24 to 48 hours. Like I mentioned, I just took it out of the wrapper and this is what the full mattress looks like. So as you can see, this bed is dog friendly, kid friendly, and you could even place it in a guest bedroom. But overall, if you're looking for a nice mattress, then definitely check this one out.